Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can add JavaScript to your Shopify store. So what you'll need to do is basically go to your control panel, then click on online store, themes, and then on the three dots right here. Then what you'll need to do is go and edit the code. After that you'll need to wait till it loads, and right here you'll see your theme. Assets, config, layout, locales, sections, snippets, and templates. So this file should have some JSON files where you will be able to add Java code, or you can create just a new one and like this write a JSON file. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.